Hello viewers, we are back again with another exciting video. Cheer up guys, this is weekend and we are here with a quick restaurant style recipe which would be a perfect party companion for you. Then let's check out our full recipe of butter garlic mushroom. Stay tuned till the end. I am going to share some hidden benefits of mushroom. Cut the mushroom into half. Do not make the pieces too small. As we are using butter in this recipe, be careful with the quantity of salt. Pinch of sugar can make this more delicious. Mushrooms contain lots of protein and fiber. It also contains vitamin B as well as a powerful antioxidant called selenium, which helps to support the immune system and prevent damage to cells and tissues. So, this weekend, try out this recipe and let us know your feedback in our comment section. Please do like and share this video, and also if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned with Cuisine Capture.